Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn English step by step with a simple conversation between a man and a woman. Don't worry, it's easy and perfect for beginners. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and try to understand little by little. You can do it. If you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice. Let's get started. Hello, how are you today?
Hi, I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too, thank you. My name is David.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. Where are you from?
I'm from France. I live in a small city near the coast, and you?
I'm from Canada, from a city called Toronto.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Is it a big city?
Yes, it is very big and busy. There are many cars, tall buildings, and parks.
That's nice. I live in a quieter place. I like peace and nature.
That's great. Do you study or work?
I am a student. I study English and science at school. And you?
I work in an office. I use computers every day.
Oh, I see. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It is sometimes tiring, but I like it.
That's good. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like watching movies, playing football, and reading books. And you?
I like listening to music, cooking, and spending time with my friends.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music and sometimes traditional music from my country.
That's interesting. I like rock and pop music too.
Nice! Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like traveling when I have free time. I want to visit more countries.
That's amazing. I also want to travel one day, especially to Europe.
You should. It is a great experience.
Yes, I agree. By the way, how is the weather in your city?
Right now it is cold because it is still spring. Sometimes it rains.
In my city, the weather is warm and sunny most of the time.
That sounds very nice. I prefer warm weather.
Me too.
It was really nice talking with you, Emma.
It was nice talking with you too, David. Let's talk again soon.
Yes, I would like that. Goodbye.
Goodbye.